Alright, so today we got a little bit of a mouse budget style shootout here, and I found these two on Amazon, like how I usually find a lot of my stuff to buy. And I found these two, and these have really good reviews on them, both of them. They're like 4.5 to like 4.8 um, out of 5 for its rating overall. Both of them have like over like 4,000, almost 5,000 reviews on like both of them. So, and they're relatively priced at the same price, basically at the same amount, around like $21, $25. So these two are really cheap in comparison to one another. So I'm really trying to figure out why both of these have like the same amount of reviews, the same amount of ratings and everything. I'm trying to see which one of these is the best, at least for my personal use case. So the reason why I got this one, this Tecknet Wireless Mouse, is because it's like a cheap knockoff version of the Logitech MX Master, basically. So I just haven't felt the complete urge to pull the trigger on buying that mouse because it's like over $100, and this one was like $21. So yeah, we're gonna see if this is any good and whether this is gonna last or not, because I bought another one and unfortunately that one stopped working after a while. Then this one just intrigued me because of the design. It's like a vertical ergonomic style um, wireless mouse, basically. So, and they both have pretty good features on them too. So I'm on Amazon right now too, and they both have pretty good features too. Like this one, it's wireless, obviously USB fast charging and all of that. This has like I guess it's like special features, the 58 degrees of ergonomic comic or comfort angle. So I guess it reduces muscle fatigue, reduces wrist overuse fatigue and all that. And I'm just looking, and I just saw this is like a 1 to 2 week adaptation time. So you're gonna have to get used to it, I guess. So hopefully I might be able to use this for a long term or not. I have no idea because apparently I was supposed to measure my hand, and I'm pretty sure I'm like around the large in terms of my hand size. So I'm not too sure if this is the right vertical ergonomic mouse for me, but I decided to give it a go, and we're gonna see. I have no idea. So both of them have pretty good features overall. I think this one has 24. I think it has more than that. I think it has like 48. I'm pretty sure, but I can't really remember. Is it on here or not? I can't remember. It says 24. I thought it had a little bit more than that, but anyways, I think we can switch up to like 3 different devices too with like one click. Same for both, basically. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. Check out this boxing experience too. Got some instructions and all of that. That's cool. This is nice. Not even gonna really look at it, but overall pretty nice presentation from Proto Arc. So that's a pretty consistent experience with them. So this is the mouse right here. Take a quick look. And yeah, this is one crazy design for a mouse. I never thought I would actually go ahead and try one of these personally, but I'm just willing to go ahead and give it a quick test for the next couple of weeks, whether to see if I'm going to keep this one or this one, basically. So that's what I'm trying to really figure out. DPI button right here, nice and clicky, tactical. This is pretty standard plastic, pretty clicky too. Right and left click is silent, so that's nice. And got the side buttons here. So yeah, I really do like these wrist pads right here, these wrist rests. It just really helps out a lot more than you would probably think. So having these two together, like if I were to like play games, like shooter games, and feels like this is like almost like the more natural way to play maybe, but I didn't really get these two mouses for that reason, but I will be testing that out too, so I'll try to come back to you with the deciding verdict later on, but this is just a quick opening of both of these. So yeah, this might take some while. It does feel pretty good in the hands though. It doesn't feel too small or anything, but it's definitely different. Let's see. Can't remember how long the battery lasts. That's what I'm trying to see. So it is saying that the battery lasts for about 200 days of standby time and 100 hours of use time with 2 hours of charging. So switching over to the Tecknet wireless fake MX Master. Let's give this a quick open. It says it has fast charging, 700 milliamp hour battery, 90 days of full charge. So basically the same stuff. You get wires and stuff too. And this is basically what it is. Pretty nice too. Silent clicks and everything. You don't have that endless scroll wheel like the MX Master does, so unfortunately we don't get that. Nice clicky DPI switch. I think this one has 48, maybe even more. Trying to find it real quick. Yeah, this one has 6 levels of DPI, going all the way up to 4800. So have this nice scroll wheel on the side. That's what I'm really looking forward to. And we got the side buttons too. These are really clicky, almost a little smushy too, but and everything's plastic too. Everything's plastic for the most part. You both get your USBs too and Bluetooth, so they both have that with a little like tuck away compartment for both of them, on and off switch for both of them too as well. So that's pretty nice. Give this a quick roll around. This one definitely feels heavier, but it's a lot smoother. And this is definitely more my style. I can tell pretty quickly. This is definitely more to what I'm used to, and this would be a nice like everyday like work task related mouse that I would use and switch over to my gaming mouse or something like that. Yeah, but this actually feels pretty solid too. A little bit more solid than the Proto. This feels like maybe it might break or something with enough regular use. But with this, it's actually sort of nice. These side buttons are a little squishy though, but it feels a little bit more durable, a little bit well built, at least for the right and left mouse clicks. Yeah, pretty nice click for the scroll wheel. So that's basically what I got for you guys. So would you get any of these? Do you have any experience with any of these? Let me let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll try to give you an update on how well I tested these out and what I liked and didn't like. And I'll see you guys later.